Yeah, man, bro, the thing large. You're here back again with me and
I can't even see myself. Morning.
Lydia. That's my lady there. Yeah, today I'm going to go have some big kids fun, guys.
Yeah, let's see if it's the kids, because there are some of these are very scary.
Yeah, so I'm going to this aqua park. She's telling me it's scary.
Not scary.
Some of the rides
some of
are
the people
scary. Listen,
they're...
I'm not scared of nothing. You can't scare me with no water park, right? So yeah, man's about to go in there and see what's going on. Listen, when you're in this region of Italy, guys, you need to spend as much time as possible in the water, man, when it's summer, right? So we're going to this water park, and yeah, we're just gonna go chill out in there, jump into the water and cool down, because I'm telling you, the heat is no joke over here. Hey, how hot is it today? She's about to check her phone. It's a mad thing right now.
So today it is 33 degrees.
33 degrees.
It's gonna reach 36.
And it's gonna go as high as 36. This is a mad thing. So yeah, man, so we're just gonna go to this aqua park. What's the name of the park?
Odissea. Look, it's there. Odissea Aqua Park.
Alright, so it's called, let me put it up there, Odissea. Odissea. Yeah, Odissea Aqua Park. See? So I'm about to jump in there and have some fun. I'm gonna try and make this a very quick vlog as well, because I'm literally running out of data on this GoPro. So this is what the place looks like so far. Have a little shop over there, you can buy some goodies. Hey, let's actually, I need one of these, you know. How much are they? Guys, yeah, I have been spending a lot of time in the water, and you know, when I go to these beaches, I keep stepping on rocks and things like that, man. So I'm trying to get one of these things here. Yeah, guys, so I have to pick up some of these shoes, man, because I'm tired of tearing my feet up in these rocks in the beach.
You can see your sides here.
We're in the park right now. That's what it looks like there.
You're high here for kids.
Yeah, I am way off this scale. This is how tall you are. Depends on what rides you can go on, but yeah, I'm way off that thing. This place is cool. They give you your own locker. Yeah, so we're in the park right now. This is what it looks like. There's some locker rooms over there.
Don't get too hot. There's like water coming out because it's
That's
too
cool.
hot.
Yeah.
This one we can do together. It's nice.
Okay, let's go to that one first then.
Let's go to Live under the umbrella.
Yeah.
And this one you can do, but I don't know. Would you do that? This one, look how big. Are you gonna do?
Damn right I'm gonna do.
Here, you don't go, you know?
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Yeah, guys, she keep hitting me with the sun protection.
Because we're not gonna realize being all day walking in the sun.
I told her I don't need that, but she,
your skin will
you know,
get dry.
I don't, yeah, but she insists.
Hey man, skin is the skin.
You want to waste your lotion on me? It's no problem.
You match the bikini.
She don't know. I told her a man is naturally protected from this thing. You get me? Natural protection. I got the melanin. The melanin. Birds of the African sun now. Actually, interesting fact, they call Calabria Africa.
It's gonna come to the yellow one. So this is the park. There is a lot of attraction. We are in one part, and then there is other attraction to the other side. And now I'm waiting on the. He's gonna go to this one. Would you do the white one over there? If you say that you feel jumping in like from the sky, that is crazy.
I'll do it. I'm doing all of them. You wanna go on one now?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, guys, I wanted to take the GoPro on the rides and show you, but unfortunately, I am not allowed to take the GoPro on the rides. They were saying I have to keep my hands free, so that's a bit of a bummer. Yeah. If I can, I'll try sneak the GoPro on one of the rides and show you what's going on. But yeah, it's a bit of a bummer, that, man. I guess everywhere have their policies. It is what it is. One crazy thing about Italy, and since I've been in this park, I've seen so much people. I'm like, yo, you know, you look at their hair and you look at their tan, and you'll be thinking that they're black people. But then you get closer, you realize they're fully white. Interesting.
I was in the shadow.
You went again?
No, I was in the shadow. I'm dying.
Okay.
You gonna go there?
Alright, let's go.
I suggest.
So we're gonna tackle this one right here.
Are you gonna go? I record you.
Yeah, this is the view from the top. So we're gonna tackle this bad boy right here. Thanks for life. Alright, right here, I think it's like a wave generator machine. So you go there and it generates the waves. I'll check that out later. Yeah, this is a nice fun activity to do while you're here in Calabria. What does it do?
You just relax in the water.
Oh, so it doesn't. Oh. Woo. Yes, people, Yardman abroad. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. This video is about to die. I think I'm out of memory again. I've been deleting stuff on this camera. Guys, I have a problem when it comes to deleting content, because I feel like I can use everything. Even content that I recorded like months ago, I still feel like I can use it. You know what I mean? So I don't want to delete too much. It's my fault. I should have taken a lot of stuff off this GoPro already, but I keep forgetting to do it, so now I keep running out of memory. I need to buy another memory card as well.
You're a football player.
Yeah?
Everyone is stopping you. That you are a famous football player.
Yeah, man. Everyone think I'm Lukaku. Yes, how you doing, man? Ciao, ciao. Hey. Yeah, everyone thinks I'm Lukaku. I don't look like Lukaku. But hey, I'll take it. Yeah, but I'm Brad, not Lukaku. One, two ice cream and thing. Don't know. I got what I got there. I got the pistachio and coconut flavor right there. Yeah, man. Yardman abroad. Well needed. This ice cream is struggling, guys. It's struggling. It's it's hard to keep hard, you know, it's melting quickly.
We are recording the
Hey? This is the only way to cool down in this place, guys. So this is the only way to cool down in this place. Got this cool little massage thing here. So you massage your chill. And massage your back. Go. Listen.
This is what you do in the shower. Like this.
I was about to say the same thing. I low-key does this in the shower.
For the water.
This is the reason why my water bill is always high, guys. I low-key chill in the shower just like that. Let me come over here. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, guys, I low-key do this, man. This is me in the shower. If I'm late for work, 9 out of 10 times this is the reason. I'll be like this for 20 minutes.